What is text chemistry? We spend most of our time on the phone, talking to our friends, checking our social media, and talking to people we're into. With that being said, texting has become a huge factor in how we communicate with people. Though this is great, it also means we limit the amount of face-to-face contact with people we're interested in. So, seeing if someone is into you, if someone understood your joke or your flirty move can be a challenge. Misinterpretation can easily happen, and there's a huge room for error when it comes to texting. Plus, keeping someone's attention through text isn't easy, especially when it's about someone you like. Text chemistry is a guide which teaches you the ins and outs of texting to get a man's attention and ultimately obsession for you. The entire program is based on the advanced psychological findings of Amy North's research. Thus, the information provided will work as it focuses on men's psychological triggers. In the program, you'll learn how to use text messaging as a way to connect with a man and how to use texts in any dating or relationship situation. For example, if a man pulls away, you'll be given the proven steps to get him back. All potential situations are described in the guide and will give you precise steps to follow. What will you learn from text chemistry? This program is completely digital, which means all your information and products will be sent online, nothing is sent to your house. You'll have 24/7 access to content and read and watch the material on any device. The main program is in the ebook, where you'll also receive 13 HD video training lessons. The videos will provide you with a visual explanation of what to do, which is great if you're a visual learner. Here's an overview of what's in the main ebook. Part 1. The rules of texting. You'll learn the mistakes women make when texting, the perfect text, how long to wait until you text him, and the difference between men and women's text messages. Part 2. What to text a man to attract him and win him. You'll be given a range of dating and relationship scenarios and how to reply to each one accordingly. Part 3. What to text him when something comes up. If he suddenly ghosts you, you'll know exactly what to text in him during rough situations. Does text chemistry work? The program is full of information which will help you get the man you want. But the thing is, you're going to have to implement the steps into your life. If not, the program will not work. So, you need to be willing to make bold moves in the name of love. Because if you don't, then you won't get the results desired. Hence, buying text chemistry is the first step, you using the guide in real life is the second. Conclusion: if you want to jumpstart your love life, then text chemistry is definitely a program you need. The program has a lot to offer, and even though there are other programs like this online, none of them match the quality and depth of information of text chemistry. Whether you're in a relationship or looking for love, you'll be able to benefit from this guide.